Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cornelialove Kitchen. Today I'm going to be reading Romans 12 verse 8. If it is to encourage, then give encouragement. If it is to give, then give generously. If it is to lead, do it diligently. If it is to show mercy, do it cheerfully. So today I'm going to be making deviled eggs, and these are all my ingredients: garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, mayo, the eggs of course, bacon, salt, yellow mustard, and I went ahead and take out 5 pieces of bacon. So I'm going to show you how I do it. My water is already boiling, so I'm just going to go ahead and add my egg to the boiling water, and you're going to allow your eggs to just boil for 15 to 20 minutes. So now I'm going to cut up these bacon. This knife is so dull. I'm going to try work with it. This one, I just pick them off. You know it's gonna be yummy for your tummy. So now guys, you don't need to add no oil, because this is bacon. This is full of oil. I'm gonna make sure that you get it crispy. So turn down your stove a little, don't allow it to burn. This is the way you want it to look, guys. And you hear it popping, so be very careful. See much oil? Now this bacon have a lot of oil in it, so you don't need to add no oil. Okay, now guys, I put my egg in some cold water. So now I'm gonna just pick it. Make sure there's no shell on it. And be gentle, because you don't want it to mash up. Okay, now guys, you're just gonna cut it. Take out the yolk, because you don't want the egg to just take out. Just gotta be gentle, that's all. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get me a spoon. Just gonna just break up the yolk. Then I'm gonna add some mayo. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Some paprika. Black pepper. A pinch of salt. My yellow meal. Mustard. And I'm gonna add some parsley flakes. And I'm just gonna mix it in. Yummy for your tummy. Then my bacon. You could just use your hand and just crush it. Because you want to make sure that it fits. Mix it in. Okay, now guys, you're just gonna use a little measuring spoon and just scoop it up. This is so delicious. And then you just add some more parsley flakes. Get this beautiful, delicious deviled eggs. Try this recipe, guys, and tell me how you like it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Cornelialove is in the kitchen. Have a blessed day. See you next time.